to question 2, which is start the following photos and answer the questions that follows. So here we have got the skull, which is a skull excavated at Broken Hill. Number 2, photo 2, pupils from Pika Boys Secondary School interviewing Mr. Munamala at his home. Okay, so you need to pay attention and study those photos. Once you have studied them, then we go to question 2a. Okay, question 2a is as follows. Identify the methods of learning about the past depicted in photo 1 and 2. Okay, so what is photo 1 depicting? Okay, photo 1, that is archaeology, that is the study, the learning method is archaeology. Then photo 2, that is oral tradition or word of mouth, so oral tradition. Okay, then we go to B, which is which one of the photos presents a primary source of historical information. The primary source of historical information. This is the information that is exactly the way it is. It has not been moved from one point to another. It's just the first-hand information. Okay, that is it. Okay, so from the skull, you are able to get the information, the original information from the doer. Okay, so if you want to study about broken human, you get the head, it will tell you how broken human was. You are able even to tell the difference, how the person has evolved from the time of broken human to the present time, because you see the difference, the actual difference. Okay, we go to question C, 2C, which is what name was given to the historians that used the method shown in photo 1? Okay, that is archaeologists. Archaeologists. The name is archaeologists. Okay, what did the historian use to determine how long a particular creature lived? What did the historians use to determine how long a particular creature lived? A, C14 or carbon 14, or you can also say it as radiocarbon dating. Radiocarbon dating. Okay, we go to question 2E, which is explain the 3 disadvantages of gathering historical information using the method shown in photo 2. Okay, so the methods, the disadvantages of using method 2, where you rely on someone telling you what really happens. Okay, so one of it is that some facts are left out because people they have forgotten certain evidences, okay, or certain information, so some parts are left out. Okay, the other one is that there is a risk of exaggeration. Okay, there is a danger of exaggeration when the person is telling you, he or she might exaggerate, might say things that are not part of that instance, might exaggerate, add some few things that were not there. Okay, so I've said 1, some information may be left out. 2, there will be some exaggeration. People tend to add some few things that were not there. Okay, then the third one is to find that those people like eyewitnesses are not available, which is will prove some like difficult to locate them. Okay, eyewitnesses won't be present. Eyewitnesses won't be present, and it will be difficult to find them. Okay, so it will be difficult to find eyewitnesses. Okay, in some instances you find that this information you are gathering from people is not even reliable. Okay, it's not even reliable. Why? Because someone will tell you, okay, for instance, 2 people were present when something was happening. So the other one will tell you something, and when you consult the other person, when you interview the other person, who will say what contradicts with what was said from that person. So that way, the information will not be reliable. You can't rely on such information because already two eye witnesses are giving you two different information. So it will be very difficult to rely on such information, or it won't be possible to rely on such information. Okay, we go to question 2F, which is name the early type of writing which was invented by the ancient Egyptian. Name the early type of writing which was invented by the ancient Egyptian. That is hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics. Okay, hieroglyphics. Okay, we go to question number 2G, which is which government department is responsible for keeping historical sources? Which government department is responsible for keeping historical resources? Okay, that is National Archives of Zambia, found in Lusaka. National Archives of Zambia, which is found in Lusaka. Okay, so basically these are answers, some of the answers we are supposed to give, but in some areas certain questions had a lot of answers, so whichever answer you bring out will be acceptable as long as it is among the answers. So where they are like in E, where they were asking for us to give 3 reasons, I gave you 4, so you can choose 3 from those and write them. Okay, we go to question number, the next question, which is question number 3.